Oh, hey there. Welcome to the Snow Peak and Outdoor Empowered Network Camp Out for Good, where the simple act of camping will help provide access and introduce the outdoors to a whole new generation of folks.
For this Takibi setup, the brand team created an expanded fireside scene that offers ample space for cooking and gathering together. To quickly get grilling, combine a natural fire starter, such as wood shavings or crumpled paper, with coals stacked tightly on one side of the coal bed. Use the folding torch to carefully ignite the coals. Once they're white hot, create a layout which allows for both direct and indirect heat zones by arranging the coals to one half of the fire pit. Protect yourself from errant sparks and heat with Snow Peak's fire-resistant apparel, durable fire tool set, and our fireside gloves. Around Takibi, everyone's the camp chef, and meals are meant to be created and enjoyed together. Once you're done with your meal, remove the grill bridge, pile on the logs, and enjoy a slow moment by the fire, surrounded by nature.